also have the mother of doctors, not only doctors, but even a governor. Mother Mary Maru. Mary, where are you? Mother to our governor, Uasin Gishu County, who is receiving his doctorate degree today. Mommy, where are you? Can we appreciate her? Mama Mary, you have done a great job bringing a scholar and a leader. That is wonderful. God bless you. Mama Mary, God bless you. Karibu sana, Kisii Central Church Choir. You are doing a good job in praising the Lord in song. You're doing it well, and you are a role model choir. We can see many of you are advanced in age, but age is not a limit in praising God. We love you and we appreciate you. Thank you. Karibu.